What up, y'all? We back again. This is Top Things. Did you know that the movie Jaws is blamed for causing a reduced beach attendance in 1975 as people were afraid to go into the water after seeing the film? Would you get into this cage?
Oh shit, that's a gator.
Rasta, come here! No!
Rasta,
Come here! Come here! No, come here! Come here!
holy,
Come here!
come on, Rasta.
Come here!
Come on, Karma, stay. Oh my god.
Come here!
Oh my god.
Come here! Good boy, come here! Rasta, come here!
Get your ass on. I'm okay with this. Holy shit, that's a big ass gator.
Whew.
Oh my god.
It's feeding time, and what animal do you think this snack is for? Let's find out.
Come on, big fella. Here he comes.
Whoa! Alright guys, don't forget, we're still operating into the wet for the top end Safari Camp Day Tour. Come out here, see this big fella named Fordo and the rest of the crew. He is one big lizard. As he's feisty this time of the year. Wow. Me, he came out hard.
The last thing you want to see when trekking through the forest is your little dog running towards a big brown bear in the woods.
Ruger, no! Ruger! Ruger, no! Come on, Hazel, come with me. Ruger, no! Jesus criminy. Come on, sis, get right behind me, please.
Imagine waking up to find a snake had made its way around your window and it's just staring at you from outside. Reason number one to avoid living in the woods.
We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
Вы только посмотрите на эту кобру. Что за статный малыш? Вы посмотрите, гордый. Ой. Да? Ой! Гордый малыш, вы улетели. Хотела милое видео, получилось, как всегда. Кто тут такой? Да. Удобно-то как. Абсолютно удобно. И никуда не собирается, малыш. Не. Господи. Вы только посмотрите на эту красоту. Что может быть лучше?
Most tigers will only attack a human if they cannot physically satisfy their needs otherwise. Tigers are typically wary of humans and usually show no preference for human meat.
Oh my god. Underwater?
Мишаня. Тихо, 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 тихо. Привет. 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 Привет, мой хороший. Ну, привет, молодец. Да, вот это медведь.
Each bear and each experience is unique. There's no single strategy that will work in all situations that guarantees safety. Most bear encounters end without injury, and most of them will avoid humans if they hear them coming.
When you think I should put a little spray that way? Huh? You let me know when you think I should put a little spray that way. Hey, hey, get out that hill!
Yeah.
Hey, get up that hill! Get up that hill! Go on, get up the hill! Get out of here!
Watch him. He's looking up. He's coming. He's still coming, buddy.
Get up that hill!
Back up. He's trying to get high ground, maybe.
Get up the hill. We don't want you here.
A massive octopus escapes a boat through a hole a quarter of its size. Because their bodies don't contain bones, an octopus can squeeze through anything so long as their beak can fit through it. The good news is that it's very safe to be around whales while kayaking. While it can be intimidating, they're highly intelligent and very agile. They can navigate around kayaks and avoid any collisions.
Johnny's hitting your kayak! Oh my god, 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 he's gonna kill it! Oh no, baby!
Look at that. She's coming back. There you go.
According to the World Wildlife Organization, the Asian elephant is classified as being endangered. Less than 50,000 of them live in the wild. What would you do if you encountered one yourself?
I'm still filming it.
How close would you allow a shark to be next to you before freaking out? I know most of us wouldn't allow it to be 1 meter close. The waters look calm, but I wouldn't want to swim through here. The beast that resides in this swamp knows how to maneuver these waters swiftly and perform an attack that comes viciously.
Nah, tuh gelembung-gelembung udara yang berjalan begitu, guys. Nah, itu berhati-hatilah dan waspadalah, guys. Bahwasanya di dalam air itu ada predator yang bergerak, guys. Nah, dia sedang menuju bergerak ke sini, guys ya. Nah, itu tuh. Nampak kan gelembung-gelembungnya kan? Tuh, gelembung-gelembung bergerak gitu, guys ya. Nah, seperti itu ya. Saya akan coba ya. Predator apa yang ada di dalamnya itu ya. Aku coba lempar pakai batu, guys ya. Nah, itulah dia, guys ya. Oke, guys.
Young foxes are known to be fairly deaf. The researchers here show how easy it is to sneak up on their young. It's not recommended to do this, however. They can always suddenly attack you.
My name is David Oren, and this right here is an eastern hognose snake. I wanted to show you guys a little trick we've been practicing. Ready? Bang! Bang! Bang, bang. Just kidding, he's fine. Bye, buddy.
Like what you see? You're gonna love what we have next. Before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys again on the next one.